All right, good. 175 tweets. Jesus. Look at all these. X. Okay. Redfin. Yeah. All right, over to the market. All right, the market's been doing, wow. I mean, it actually is putting in the almost exact consolidation asked for. And the only thing that I've asked for is for it to be long. And today, as we've neared the top of that consolidation area, today we're now pulled back a little bit before the market open. Opening below Monday's low. Monday was just a little bit of a doji day. So we're really inside Friday's candle. And if we break Friday's low, 367.26 on the Qs, that could definitely go and fill that little gap in there. Gap. And get down to like 364.76. So today could be a sell-off day, and that would be what we need really on the market for everything to sort of continue to settle in, so we can get lots and lots and lots of names up at pole position. The shorter these pullbacks, the fewer names take us to the next level, and that's a bit dicey. It's much better if we get lots and lots and lots of stocks with the program. And the longer the consolidation, the more that'll happen. Today we have FOMC minutes being released at 2 p.m. So that will probably put a damper, certainly for an hour or two before the release from about noon. But on volume today, volume will be light until then, and then after that, it could be heavy, and it could lead to a heavy volume day. Overall, though, it might be a light volume day. So there won't be a lot of extreme panic movements. Knock on wood. All right, so that's what we've got going on there. The other case is that the market unhealthily just takes off. Maybe after the FOMC minutes, there's a chance of that. And if that's the case, yeah, it's right at the precipice of breaking out. The domino effect on that. It's not difficult for the market to break out from here. I do see gold spiking right now, and oil, energy. That's all with that one. So that tends to be institutionals putting their money back into their into their savings account, gold, the ATM machine, to making a deposit in anticipation of not getting into positions today, or at least this morning. So maybe we'll see gold drop before the FOMC. It'd be a good idea to just get your portfolio either de-risked and into capital, cash, if you believe we're in a kind of a sketchy area. I wouldn't go that far. I think the market's looking great. The VIX is at 14.4. It kind of has made a bottom, but maybe this is some of the worst it gets. Maybe it hits 15. So my recommendation is to go delta neutral. So you can learn about that on my Market Mastery, marketmastery.teachable.com. Just go to the delta neutral beta hedging section and learn how to hedge your portfolio so that it's long and short and makes money in an up and down market regardless. All right. Now moving on to individual picks. Rivian is up a little bit this morning. Let's get the actual number here. 6% this morning. It has a 7% ADR, so that's almost 1 day's worth of movement in pre-market. So that could really catalyze the day today on Rivian. Rivian might be moving. IMPL, we're watching that to see if it does anything more. I believe that's a biotech, yeah. And then this one, Wolf Speed. Check the news on that. I think it's a possible acquisition. Let's see. 10-year deal to supply chips to Renesas. So it's a contract win. And it's hard to say if it'll move more from here and at what speed, possibly slow. But it did go from 57 roughly, where it was, to now 67. So Wolf is up 18% on that contract win. But that's a one-time event, contract win. Although it does transpire over the course of 10 years. But the future valuation of the goose that lays the golden eggs is that it's going to lay X number of eggs in the next 10 years. And so you wouldn't want to sell it to anybody else for less than X price. That's the way that works. FRGT, almost 5% gains pre-market. Not enough volume by far for us to even want to know about it. Don't want to get sucked in. All right, we got 8 minutes until the market opens. I'm going to look at a couple other swing names that people are mentioning. So I just want to be aware. On the low end of what we're looking for. Smith & Wesson, no. Carnival Cruise Lines, who still got it? Yeah, that one's looking great. That's on our hot list. X. It can go almost 3% a day when it goes, but it almost never goes. Last time it went was 1 year ago, and then 2 weeks ago. That's it. That's all. That's the only runs it's had. The rest has been diarrhea. These have been the only good runs it's had. That was a good one. I'm going to put that one in the file cabinet of good analogies. There's only been a couple of good runs. The rest have been diarrhea. IMTX. I still will put it on the hot list in case it starts to get hot. Play. We're either in that or we were in that. We were in that and then got knocked out. It's on our hot list. Play. EBX. Continuing. Me, you still in that? Cool. Good morning, everybody. And have not looked at had a catalyst day recently on huge volume, has held the 50% support level. It goes on our hot list. It's interesting. Be the start of a run. SLH. An ADR, not super. Only had a couple of sketchier little runs there. A lot of drawdown. KMX. Too low ADR. Riot. Yeah, Riot, the laggard of the bunch. Mara. Great. Spotify. Little low on the ADR. This run obviously would have been nice, but how do you predict that? That was about 2% per day there, but the rest has been way too slow. 26% in 82 bars. Yeah, we don't want those docs. HubSpot. Get some more water. Almost good ADR. Percent per day when it runs, which is not frequently. That run. Almost 4% per 3.3% per day on that one. Yeah, it's got a couple of runs. Yeah, maybe. It's a maybe. Okay. Any other picks? Let me know. EH. Going wild lately. High ADR, but not too high. So that's good. Should go on our watch list. Mom. Yeah, nice ADR. Stair stepping, high tight flag right now. Looking pretty good. I believe we got out of a mom, but now we're looking to get back in. I'm looking to get back in your mom. But TXG. Genomics. Low ADR, no thanks. Just making sure you're paying attention. Fastly. Ball. Unity. ADR very high on that one. We would love to see Unity go on a run. And we are getting the growth, but they're still not profitable. Increasing their margins. It looks like it's still about 3 quarters before they'll be profitable. But Unity in 2024 will probably be a swing trade we go after, unless something changes beforehand. Not on their hot list for now. T too low. CCCC. What's that? C Therapeutics. Okay, biotech. Yeah, it's popped up this morning. Let's take a look at it on the day trading chart. Yeah, it looks all right. It certainly has dipped into VWAP a little bit much. It's probably leveling off. This might be the full valuation. It might sell off from here. Found a lot of support in buying in the last week. And so now it's going to be all profit taking, I think. CCC. COHR. All right, we've got 2 minutes until the market opens. COHR. Gain almost 4% per day. ADR is 6.4%. This one we love. COHR. You have a super hot list, you know. This would be ideal entry would have been back here at got knocked out on that one. 48. It's at 51 now. 48, 51, but it's get over 62 soon. All right, I'm going to be watching all my positions, of which I have a lot of. So pardon me. While the market opens here in 60 seconds, I'll take care of any positions that I need to modify. I want to find some shorts though. Shorts. Looking for a chart where it just looks like it's just with love going down every day, giving back. Okay. Short you're looking for. Here's an example of my best short is EMBC. Okay, I mean that's what you're looking for. And the other one was that I've got that's doing all right is LRX. All right, market is open. And of course, I've got to report my columns. Lending. LDR is having a good day. Cool. It's almost new all-time highs on BLR. ADR, but we're in it. Good. Things looking pretty tame and in control this morning. And how is this market looking? Market is rallying. How about that, folks? And gold fully giving back that deposit. Gold's being withdrawn from, and I think it's looking like it's being put right into the market. ECCC came up on my Catalyst Day list. DWAC is up from 12 to 14 this morning. And on DWAC, that's pretty back. Right, all of my shorts are doing well today. That's helping counter. Test. All right, the market is doing well. Let's take a look at that on the daily, on the intraday. You see, Really strong open. If that open gets erased, that will not be good. All right, looks like I got to cut play if it's not. All right, cutting play at basically break even, so that's fine. I'm happy. I was giving back a lot today. What's up there? Expected low volume, so I'll give it a little bit more of a chance. There goes free. RJ got that one on Friday. I said I wanted to give it a little more freedom. I mean, Monday, I think he did. Coming back. What? Are you intent on going down all day? What's up? Got my Shopify at break even there. Better entry in a couple days. Let's take a look at our hot list. If anything's getting away from us. Metals Group, we're already that's already flown. Ship has already sailed. AAOI, we're already in. We're now up 50% on AAOI. And then, well, obviously halfway down. 4, roughly. That's not halfway down. Man, that's some weird math. Yeah, you'd have to be up 100% to be in halfway. 33% down in order to be up 50%. I didn't make math, but man. CBay continuing. CBay, our number one this morning. We already took profits on Monday on that one, and it's now a runner. Rivian, Rivian? No signal. ETNB. Bouncing off the 50. An interesting area to potentially get in and risk. I might even have some of that ET. I mean, it continues to make run after run after run. It's probably a good idea to get some down here. Stop at this last reclaim candle, 1780. So about $1 of risk right now on. Hey, I'm in that this morning. Lending Club really has gone below. Need to let it go, but it's bounced a little bit. So is Shopify, actually. The market's just doing swell this morning. Take a look at this. Minute. Nice high tight flag consolidation that's I'm guessing that this is investing before the good news. FOMC minutes. The bets seem to be on the good side. VIX has dropped to 14.3, which is excellent. You know, we like it when the VIX drops. That's the only thing we like when it drops. Gold is dropping as well. So the signs are on the wall. And base materials down. That's an inflationary move there. De-inflationary. DWAC is just a total noodle mess. Don't touch it. Check on the health of any of my positions. Well, was there anything? RMTI, IonQ, EB. Yeah, that's a tough one. All it does is rare spikes. It's not the best. FNGR. We're already in that, and it is doing well. Thought it was in FNGR. There it is. Okay. 35% on FNGR. Looking good. We're up 32% on APLD. It's continuing to appreciate. We got that on the 50 MA bounce reclaim 5 days ago. Look at that. Turned out to be a faithful signal. Netflix new highs. New 52-week highs hitting on Netflix. Helping the market for sure. We've got a reclaim bounce on SMMT. Just wait to get into positions till after the Fed minutes and the power hour today. Mostly. The ETNB entry is already up a smidge, almost 1%. Resorting my columns here. It looks like I might have to get a PPSI. Those are my runners. PPSI not doing great, but runner, so we give it a little bit more room. PPSI basically giving back everything it gave on Monday. Not the greatest sign. Watch that carefully and cut it. Okay. But lean on the side of holding it. Give it a chance. Done well. I don't know that anything's changed other than people are taking profits today. Still good. Swing trading, that's you got to think. All right. So as far as opportunities this morning, there are no good ones. And then as far as getting in some swing opportunities, I got into ETNB. Even that, I might, have to wait until another day or the end of the day or whatever. But we'll have alerts going in the group as they come in the alert channels. So I do believe we're only about 13 minutes in, but I do believe that's about what the morning program has in store for us this morning. Everything's looking kind of good. Is everybody seeing that? Is everybody feeling that? How many of you are exposed? You got a lot of market exposure or a little market exposure? How's everything doing? Good? It should be doing good. Got the good picks. If you want me to look at anything, I'll give you a couple minutes here to let me know what. Look at EMBC on a good day. EMBC fading even more. This is the short I was talking about. Best short. I need to find like 15 more shorts to neutralize my portfolio right here. If anybody's got shorts, let us know in the group. A short is not something that's going down for a day or two. A short, when it comes to delta neutral hedging, a short is something that's eating for half a year or more. Consistent movement. All right, good. See you in the group, guys. Have a good morning. Catch you in the group.